Welcome to my channel, Simply Mama Cooks. I'm Angelica, and this is Vlogmas. By the way, be sure to follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Okay, here we go. I'm gonna make lunch.
Okay, well,
A taco ring.
sounds good. Let's go.
We've never had that.
Sounds good to me.
So today I'm gonna make a taco ring. I know, sounds super ridiculous, but is it a taco ring or a taco wreath? I have that Pillsbury crescent roll dough in the fridge, and I have some thawed ground beef, and I just looked up a recipe and thought, I can do that, so let's do that. I'm making a taco ring today, kind of my way. I'm gonna go off of the recipe and do my own thing. I like to go rogue sometimes, but I will link the original recipe in the description below. Here we go. Let's do this. For a simple recipe, get your favorite store-bought taco seasoning. I'm going with, ye old Taco Bell seasoning mix. I like it. A pound of ground beef, taco seasoning mix. You're gonna cook that together and then shred some cheese. After that cools, you shred your cheese, mix it up, and then fill this using crescent roll dough here, and you need 2 cans of this. This will get you a taco ring right here. But because I like to just throw my own spin on stuff, I'm going to add some extra seasonings to the meat. I'm going to go with some dried minced onion because I have it. I like to throw in chives into the mix because I love onions. So you don't have to add tons of things with, tons of onions into the mix. But call me Shrek. I just love onions. Okay, so I'm going to add my ground beef into the pan. Just start breaking that apart. I kind of just, you should get the ground beef a head start, start breaking it apart and cooking it. But, yeah, do that. I'm going to start adding I like to add the chives, the dried minced onion, eyeballing a lot of stuff, smoked paprika, and then the taco seasoning mix. Just gonna get it all in there. Now just mix it up, cook it, and that'll work. Eventually I'm gonna add a little bit of water, but I wanna get this cooking first. If you hear background noise, that's my kid in the back. Okay, so I am going to add just a little bit of water. Maybe like 1/3 to a 1/2 cup. And I am gonna let it, you don't want watery, soupy ground beef going onto the dough. So I'm gonna let it cook out. But it kind of helps distribute the seasoning when you do it this way. Okay, so let that cook out, and that'll be the ground beef mixture. And I'm gonna let it cool. Once it's done, I'm gonna let this cool off. Oops. And then add the rest of the ingredients. So I'm gonna go ahead and shred the cheese. Well, you are.
I'm an expert with this.
He's a great cheese shredder person.
I can do this with my eyes closed.
My husband shredded 8 ounces. I might not even use it. I don't know. We'll see. Here we go, going rogue again. So I'm going in with my drained can of green chilies and black olives. Now, if you don't like those things, just leave it out. This can be as simple or as complicated as you like. My goodness, we called it a taco ring, and we're actually using Pillsbury crescent roll dough, so it's really not this authentic thing. 4 ounces of shredded cheese, it's like a cup, goes into your cooled ground beef. I may have added a little more. Give that a mix. And you'll notice, oh, and I want to mention, I used a lean ground beef, but if you're using something like 80-20, you're gonna have to drain that grease. You don't want a lot of moisture or liquid going into the onto the dough. So let's give that a mix. I'm gonna add more. I'm adding like 1.5 cups of cheese. So 4 to 6 ounces of shredded cheddar cheese, or the cheese of your choice. Okay. Okay, so I've got my dough here. We're gonna start building this ring. Here I have a pizza pan, a large round pizza pan, and I put parchment paper, and I'm gonna start stacking and layering the dough, the triangle shaped dough, into a ring. Okay, so I've opened the dough, and I'm gonna do the best I can here. And see how they're already kind of perforated, and this is what it looks like. Just like that. So you're gonna carefully cut your triangles and just start, you wanna overlap them. For example, like that. And continue the process till you go through all of the dough. Let's see here, we'll go like that. Hopefully I can get it in a ring shape. There we go. As you can see, to create the ring, you overlap the dough and get it into a ring shape, as close as possible to a ring shape. And then you take your filling and you start to fill it. Oops, I'm pressing the dough too much. And then you place your filling all around the taco ring. Again, things will get messy, but you can fix it. And just, again, go into a ring shape around it and start filling it. Okay, so I have it all in the center here, and now you just fold it in on itself and kind of press it down. I really added a lot of ground beef. So you're gonna fold it over, press it in, kind of tuck it under, press the dough. You want dough to seal it as best as you can, because let's get closer here. So if you could see on the inside of the ring, you fold it over and find a piece of dough here and press it. Okay, so check this out. This is the taco ring. Now it's kind of oblong, oh well. But now it's gonna go into my oven, and I'm just gonna see how this meat's kind of falling. I'm gonna tuck it back in here. I'm gonna just do that. Okay, so going into a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Let's see here. Okay, hopefully the paper doesn't burn. Okay, so it has been around 25 minutes. We're gonna carefully take it out. Oops. Yeah, it's kind of hard. Okay, we're gonna bring it to the stove. Cooktop here. Yes! We can shut off the oven. So you'll wanna let it just sort of cool for about 10 minutes or so before serving. And I'm gonna add some garnish in the center, and then it's lunchtime. So I'm gonna garnish, or just add in the center, some lettuce and tomato. So it's been about 10 minutes. I'm gonna add just a handful in the center. If you're having like some sort of holiday party and you want a taco ring, there. Lunch is served. It is, this is a sight to see. I don't know. We'll see how this is. I'm really interested to see how it's going to taste. I'm sure it'll be good. Ground beef, taco seasoning. I mean, can't be that bad. I don't know. Do you take? I don't know. Let's just slice into it. Then I think like that. Okay. And then I'm gonna. Yeah. Nice. That came out nice. I thought it was going to fall apart. Did pretty good. Okay, I'm going to give it a try. Let's try it. Okay. All right, here we go. I can't say the crescent dough and the taco seasoning is like my favorite, but it's not bad. I'm hungry enough to eat it. I hope you give this recipe a try. I hope you like it, and thanks for watching.